Presently, the states in the country are facing challenge of COVID-19 in differing degrees. In view of this, states should have the flexibility to make reasonable modifications in lockdown related guidelines within their respective jurisdictions. It is suggested that after assessing the situation prevailing in a state, the respective state government should have the flexibility to allow public transport subject to distancing norms and restrictions within districts. Metro rail transport can be allowed in cities other than in red zones subject to similar restrictions. Three-wheeler transport subject to capacity restrictions can also be allowed after considering the situation in a district by the state government. Likewise, giving concessions for operating industrial and trade establishments should be made possible for state governments taking into account the ground situation. But these should be subject to necessary restrictions like distancing and made applicable in areas except those declared as containment zones. Kerala has a substantial population of non-residents staying abroad. Some of them are coming back in special flights. Many more are likely to come. It is suggested that whenever people are being transported by special flights from abroad, it will be desirable to conduct antibody test prior to boarding. In the absence of this, there is every possibility of many travelers getting infected. Kind note may be taken of the fact that we are already facing a situation where 5 cases have been reported from passengers who arrived in chartered international flights last week.